Growing vegetables in one's backyard has long been a popular way to save money on groceries and enjoy fresh, healthy produce. However, with a little extra effort and some savvy marketing skills, it is possible to turn a backyard garden into a profitable enterprise. The first step to making money from a backyard garden is to choose the right vegetables to grow. High-value crops such as heirloom tomatoes, gourmet lettuces, and exotic herbs can fetch premium prices at farmers' markets and specialty grocery stores. In addition, by focusing on niche products that are not widely available, gardeners can command higher prices and differentiate themselves from competitors. Once the right crops have been selected, it's important to maximize yields by using proper planting techniques, soil amendments, and pest management strategies. Once the right crops have been selected, it's important to maximize yields by using proper planting techniques, soil amendments, and pest management strategies. By keeping plants healthy and productive, gardeners can increase their overall output and revenue. Another key factor in making money from a backyard garden is marketing. One of the easiest ways to sell produce is through farmers' markets, where local growers can connect with consumers and build a loyal customer base. By creating attractive displays, offering samples, and providing recipes and cooking tips, gardeners can attract customers and increase sales. In addition to farmers' markets, there are many other ways to sell backyard-grown produce. Online marketplaces such as Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace allow growers to connect with buyers in their area. While food co-ops and community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs provide a steady stream of customers who are willing to pay a premium for fresh, locally grown produce. Of course, making money from a backyard garden is not without its challenges. Gardeners must be willing to invest time, money, and effort into their crops, and must be prepared to deal with weather-related setbacks, pests, and other issues that can affect yields. Gardeners must be willing to invest time, money, and effort into their crops, and must be prepared to deal with weather-related setbacks, pests, and other issues that can affect yields. In addition, competition from other growers and large-scale commercial operations can make it difficult to compete on price. Despite these challenges, many backyard gardeners have found success in turning their hobby into a profitable business. By choosing the right crops, maximizing yields, and marketing their produce effectively, they have been able to supplement their income and enjoy the rewards of their hard work. One way to increase profits from a backyard garden is to consider value-added products. Instead of just selling fresh produce, gardeners can turn their crops into jams, sauces, pickles, and other preserved foods that can be sold at a higher price point. This not only adds value to the produce but also extends its shelf life, allowing growers to sell their products throughout the year. Another strategy for making money from a backyard garden is to focus on catering to specific customer segments. For example, some gardeners may find success by targeting health-conscious consumers who are willing to pay a premium for organic, pesticide-free produce. Others may cater to the needs of busy urbanites by offering pre-cut, pre-washed vegetables that can be easily incorporated into meals. In addition to selling produce, many backyard gardeners have found success in offering gardening services such as design and installation, maintenance, and even classes and workshops. By leveraging their expertise and experience, gardeners can expand their business beyond just selling produce and offer a range of services that meet